Welcome to my channel and welcome back all my subscribers. If this is your first time watching, welcome to you also. Look below, you'll see the word subscribe in red. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also remember, hit that little bell at the top, and that bell is a notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be the first to know. In this video, I have a hair remover for you. This hair remover is great for getting rid of hair and the sensitive part of your body, such as pubic hair. If you're tired of shaving like I am, this video is for you. Also, a wonderful thing about this treatment is that it's gonna cause the hair to grow back much slower and eventually much less. So come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this treatment up. Our first ingredient is pineapple. Why pineapple? In case you don't know, pineapple helps with removing hair from your skin. Now, in this treatment, pineapple is going to remove the dead skin cell, it's going to soften the hair, and it is also going to help to smooth the skin. The next ingredient in this recipe is lemon, and lemon is filled with citric acid, which when combined with other ingredients is great for getting rid of hair from the skin. And our third ingredient is coconut oil, which is going to help along with the citric acid from the pineapple and the lemon to soften the hair. And I'm also going to be using some gelatin in this recipe. So to begin, I'm going to prepare the pineapple, and I'm only going to be using the pineapple juice. So to extract the juice from the pineapple, I'm going to blend. I'm going to cut the pineapple in small pieces for easier blending. For this treatment, fresh or natural pineapple juice is perfect. Now here is our blended pineapple. And what we're going to do next, we're going to prepare the lemon. I'm using only a half of a lemon. So I'm just going to juice the lemon. So here is our lemon juice, and you want to make sure to get rid of the seeds. So here are three of the ingredients. We have our lemon juice, we have our pineapple juice, and we have our coconut oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to warm these on the stove top. And I'm using about a teaspoon of coconut oil, and I'm going to place that in the pot first. I'm going to let it melt. So once the coconut oil has been melted, I'm now going to pour our pineapple juice in. Now we're not going to let this come to a complete boil. What we're simply doing, we're letting this warm enough so that we could melt our gelatin in. So once you see it starting to steam, then you know it's ready. So next I'm going to pour the gelatin in. And you're going to mix right away, remove it from the stove, and you're going to really mix this fast as you can. Make sure to get rid of all the lumps from the gelatin. Know that I remove it from the stove immediately. So here is our mixture, and now, and then we're going to pour. So here is our hair remover, and now you're going to set it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes for it to cool somewhat. Once it is cooled, it's going to be very sticky, and then you're going to apply it to the pubic area. After applying, you're going to let it stay on for about 15 minutes, and then you're going to get in the shower and you're going to rinse off. You're going to notice then that the hair is going to start falling off while rinsing. So you're basically going to be washing the hair away, okay? So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. Remember, if you like the video, share the video, give it a thumbs up. Also leave your comment. And if this was the first time watching, hit the word subscribe below and you will be subscribed. Don't forget to also click on the bell, which will remind you each time I upload a video. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.